Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I wanted to do is share with you some insight on what we do in the Swing Charts membership plan. Now, this video that you're going to see right now is a quick little clip, meaning it's cut, and you'll see a couple of little sections of it from the actual members section. So in the members section, you'll get the full video. In this video, you'll go ahead and see a little cut or trimmed version of it. So if you're interested in joining us to see what we do in the members section of the Swing Charts membership, go ahead and take a look at our website at tradersfly.com. So you can see it's tradersfly.com, and you'll be taken to a site like this. By the way, go ahead and check out some of the freebies we have there. You can download a bunch of freebies absolutely free by going to this area. But if you want to see the members section, go ahead and click this members area right there. And then you can go here and you can check out the Swing Charts, and that'll take you to a page similar to this. Now, just for you guys right now, because we have kind of this deal promotion going on, I want to go ahead and share the love. So you can go ahead and click the Get It Now button here on the monthly plan. And what you can do is go ahead and when you go to the coupon, share the love, all lowercase, apply the coupon, and what it'll do is give you half off the first month for signing up. So again, remember, coupon codes expire from time to time. It's not going to last forever. So as you're watching this video, maybe it already expired. But in the meantime, we try to keep this coupon code active as you're watching the video. So keep that in mind. If you have any trouble or issues, feel free to reach out to us or our team. Anyways, I'd love to see you in the membership section. We really focus in on charts, technical analysis, and you'll get a sample of that here as we go into this video. So enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end. If we look at DKNG, this one, let me go into the daily right here. Boom, there's resistance, there's resistance. So there's your resistance level. Resistance level, stock is getting right into it. So as you look into this upward trending support line, this looks like it could be trouble if the stock breaks below it. Okay, so right now we're kind of compressing, but for an upside swing, you know, watch this level for the positive sign in the stock. So if it breaks there on good volume, nice wide price spread, that could be a positive move. So that's what you're looking for. But if it breaks this upward trending support line, that could be a much bigger trouble. So you've got these kind of this triangle compression happening right now in the stock. So we're going to see where it's going to break and see what happens. There has been a bit of a problem with the sell-off recently. So that could lead into what's going to come into the future. You do have some bearish volume there. Sorry. Not bullish, but bearish volume there that's creeping in, but there are some bullish signs as well. So you don't really know until this breaks. So in this case, I'd be a little more neutral on the stock. Let's see what happens. Let's see what's going to happen. Who's going to win out? Is it going to be the bulls or the bears? Next one is Fiverr. So this one I think is doing very well. And if you look at just what's been going on, here's your resistance level. You've got nice bullish volume there stepping up. So that's continuing to fuel the stock. There's your breakout pattern. The stock continues to move into higher prices on volume and does so with large, wide price spread, which is typically a good sign for the stock. So in this case, this looks good. That's why I'm a little more bullish on this one. I think it's holding up well. You also have some nice support levels right here. This was our past resistance, so the stock is doing very nicely and well, especially after a little bit of a pause or digestion period here. So nevertheless, stock looks good, continues, and just always raise your stop as it continues to move into higher prices. Next one we'll take a look at is LYFT. If we look at this on the weekly, I need to back it up a little bit. What I want to show you is we're right at an interesting point. So this was our past support, then it got into being our resistance, and now again, it is going to be our resistance. If you look at this kind of descending trend line, this was a breakout right here. and you had a growth and rise in bullish volume. So note that that's a positive sign. So overall, the stock seems to have found a bottom and now attempting to push higher and get out of the ditch. So that's a good sign. That's why I'm a little more bullish. You also have nice bullish volume coming in. However, careful with the resistance overhead. So that would be the areas of concern, is this resistance right now that you have. But beyond that, that stock's doing quite well from the bounce off of that bottom. When you look at it, this is where your kind of key critical support level is right around that $20 mark, which is fairly cheap for a stock. PayPal here is another one that continues to fuel into higher prices. So there it is again, resistance breaking out right there. So you can see there's a couple spots that it's attempting to move into higher prices. You do have support around 170. That's a good critical level. You also have some support around 180. So notice that kind of continues. There's some bullish volume there that tried to push into higher prices here, but I believe that was a little bit more earnings. And really where it stepped up was a little bit more here. You'd have to look more at the daily to see if that was relevant, but really what you have is more sideways consolidation here, and now it continues to move higher on that leg. So because what's happened here was you moved sideways, there was the breakout, moved higher, sideways, and again the next breakout again, right? So that's why in this case I'd be more bullish, just because it had some digestion stability period there. Roku, this one just doesn't stop. It continues to do well. I'm also going to show you here on the weekly on this one, and you can see the bullish volume also there continues to ramp up. So also there's bullish volume. This was our resistance and sideways consolidation. So it continues to just do well. I'd be bullish on the stock. I'd be a little, be careful with this one, as it is getting a bit stretched without any pullback. So that is the area of concern here. Always take profits into strength. So make sure you do that. If you don't, this could pull back quite heavily. Who knows? Maybe halfway, maybe go back to 180 and retest, but watch out for these stocks that continue to fly high without any pullbacks. So I'm not saying it's going to pull back nasty and have a big problem, but the further they stretch up, the more likely they'll pull back stronger. Okay, so there you go. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this little clip video. Remember, this was just a shortened clip and version of what we do in the members section. If you want to join us, go ahead and go to the website at tradersfly.com. That way you get insight on, hey, some of the freebies, the get started pages, and join us on the membership section by clicking the members area here. That'll forward you to our members website, and you can go ahead and sign up for the swing charts if it's something that you're interested in. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Remember, hit the subscribe button if you're brand new to the channel, or of course, join the mailing list by clicking the link right over here. And that way you get notified as we release other great videos, products, courses, or even live events sometimes on YouTube. All right, thanks again, and I will see you next time.